Hello everyone, my name is Swatlena Panda. Today I am going to tell about be unique, be different. Do you think that it's possible? Yeah, it's possible. We are different. We may be same or biological, but we are different by our thoughts, by our views, by our behavior, by our personality, by our means lifestyle, etc. But still then we wants to be copy of someone. Even if I'm also saying that I also want to be like some people who are my means whom I take as my means inspired person. Is I always try my best to be like them, but it's not like that I want to be like means I want to be copy of them, but I want to be like them. So here I'm saying that your life your life is different. Your life is you are a unique piece in this world. Even if God has given you a different story, God has written a different story for you, then how can we same with another person? So have you ever asked this question to yourself? Am I unique? Am I a different piece before God? You are, everyone is different. Everyone God has given to beautiful story. God has means written a different beautiful story for you. How can be same? Everyone's life cycle is different. Mine, yours, everyone life cycle is different. Everyone lifestyle also different. What I have faced, maybe you have not faced. What I have means what I lose, maybe you don't lose. What you lose, or what you have suffered, what you have seen, or what you have struggled, maybe I have struggled with it. So everyone's lifestyle is different. But we all want to be get a good life. We all want to be good person. That's why whenever we see another person, we always try to adopt his rule or her rule, because their personality captures our heart. Like no, that person is so good, and I also be like that person. So this comes from our heart. But that's why most of the time we always compare ourselves with other person, that what's our demerits, what's my fault, and what are the that person has, what the person the good qualities which is not present with me. But most of the time while comparing we with others, most of the time we lose our own identity. Do you think when you compare yourself with others you lose your identity? Yes, we lose our identity. We all are different. We may be follow others, but our way of thinking will not be changed. So always try to be yourself. Always try how much you always adapt the good things, but don't means change yourself. Don't try to change yourself for others. Always try to modify it, but don't try to change wholly. So here I am saying, if you compare yourself with others, then compare it in a good way. Take it in a good way. Whatever the person has personality, you adopt the good thing and change it. But I've seen that most of the time the comparison always converts into jealousy. When it's a long-term comparison, seriously telling, means most of the time my parents I've seen that the comparison always the converts into jealousness, because they compare. They most of the time when they feel the inferior, at that time they think that that person is more good than me, and they at that time there is the inferiority and jealousy comes. And you know what the result? It always results into a means heart attack, right? Means heart means very painful result always comes. Even if I am also saying, because I have seen from my past life that what I have lose, or what means I have lose many friends because of this reason. Because I feel that most of the time I'm not saying that I'm totally perfect and I'm too good student or everything I'm perfect, but still then I feel that most of the time people, this jealousy, this thing kills others. This thing make a person differ from one person to another person. This thing kills any relationship, can any anything, seriously telling, and it creates a problem also. So through this video I'm just going to tell to everyone, if you feel, means if you compare yourself in a good way, never in a bad way. Take that person, that the person is good, and I also try to be like that, but don't take it in a very serious way. Don't, if you compare, then also love them, means don't be so much jealous, because I'm saying that because it's my own experience from my past life also. I'm seriously telling, when means seriously, if anyone will ask any of my friends, no one can get that I hurt my friends or I scold my friends or anything like that. I never hurt anyone, but indirectly, even if I help also many people, but when I need help, I never get. Even if when I actually, even if I win in anything, I found that no one happy. Seriously telling, this thing always hurts me. When I have, means win or success in any field, no one happy except my parents. I have never seen any of my friends who actually happy in my success time. Even if I never find any people who actually help me in my worst period. This because I have seen that most of the time people actually, means nowadays everyone is too busy in their life. Everyone too jealous. They can see others also in a top position. That's the main problem. That's why now whatever, means problems creating because of this reason. Even if you know this jealousness, ni- this not only kills you, your mentality, it also kills that person with whom you are getting jealous. Because it's my own experience also, I'm telling. I also suffer a lot for this. No doubt people take it in another sense. They convert it into a, means any friendship matter or anything. They just try to, means make this thing in another sense. But I know that what is the actual reason behind it. So here I'm saying that if you compare yourself, take it in a positive way. Don't take it in a negative way, because if you compare yourself in a negative way, then you are spoiling your life as well as you are spoiling that person's life also. And you are no one to spoil others' life. If you are spoiling others' life, means God is watching you. Now, maybe now you are getting good result, golden result, but in future you surely get pain from the God. So never hurt others for your short-term fulfillment. So compare yourself. It's good that you are comparing yourself because you want to change yourself. It's good. Seriously, it's good. Even if in my past life also I was too, means compare person. Even if I always compare myself, means I think that that person is so good, means I also want to be like that. Means it's a human nature that comparison, jealousy. It's a human nature. But still, then some people, even if I am also saying I am also very jealous in study matters, seriously telling, but with here, you know what I actually mark. When I feel jealous, I can't make friendship in a good way. Even if I feel a different kind of feelings inside me, a negative kind of feeling, so that I feel that no, it's a very bad thing. I have to change this. And after that, I try my best to change myself. Why I change myself? I found that no one is in this world who actually tried what I actually do. Means what I felt, means no one felt that this jealousness is actually like a poison which flow in your blood, and actually it kills others, means yourself with others with whom you feel, means whom you feel jealous. So never hurt anyone for a silly matter. If you want to compare if you compare yourself with that person, always try to make yourself that much strong. Means love that person, but compare, means make yourself also that much eligible. So I hope you understand me, that what I want to say, what I mean to say. Love yourself first. Never take, means never means never make this comparison issue to spoil your relationship, friendship issue or anything. Never spoil it, because this thing, whenever you will find either friendship issue or any means any love issue, everywhere you will find the failure is because of this jealousness. Because nowadays everyone wants to be reach at the highest position. The girls jealousy is when between two girls, the jealousy is beauty. First of all beauty, then their means their status, etc. Boys mostly their jealousy is power, status, etc. This is a common thing which you can't ignore. This is a human nature, but we can't minimize it. We know that what is the negative point, so we have to change according to that. So I hope you all understand that what I mean to say. So make yourself and make your life beautiful, save your relationship, and be unique in your way. Change yourself, or copy that. Okay, if you mark someone, it's that is good, that, but be unique in your way. Change yourself in a good way. Thank you all. I request to everyone, make yourself in a good way. Thank you.